Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we'll see projection of point. Now this is very important topic from the engineering point of view, and it is there in ICSE Technical Drawing as well. So first we'll see projection of point. Now all of you have seen XX and YY axis, right? This we have done it in math, XX and YY axis. Now if I'll give width to this axis, then it will become quadrant. See this. So this is our first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. Now this is horizontal plane. See this. This is horizontal and this is vertical plane. Now if I take only first quadrant, we will do all four quadrants, but right now if I take only first quadrant, then it will be like this. And we assume all this quadrant transparent. So this is first quadrant. This is horizontal plane, this is vertical plane. Now point A is over here. So I can write that point A is above HP, above horizontal plane. Am I right? And it is in front of vertical plane. Now if I give this distance, if I want to be sure about the dimension, then I am writing 20 and 30. So can I write A is 20 mm above HP? And 30 mm in front of VP. So A is 20 mm above HP and 30 mm in front of VP. Let's say observer is standing over here. When he will see from here, whatever he will see, that he will project on vertical plane. See from here. So I'm just drawing a plane, vertical plane, and observer will see point A over here. How much above? 20. And same way, when observer will see from the top, he will see that point. How much down? 30. Now the point is how it came like this. So I'll explain. This is XY. Intersection of HP and VP is called XY line. See this. Now when observer will see, front view is here. See this. So we'll draw one light line and we mark front view. So nobody has any doubt in front view. Everyone understands front view. Now they are not getting it top view. This is 20 mm above HP. So it will be above XY line. When you will see from the top, it is here. So the problem is, when observer will see from the front, he can see I'm drawing it again. When observer will see from here, this is front view, this is top view. When he will see from here, he can see only front view. Right? He can't see top view. He can see only line. That entire horizontal plane will appear as a line. So he can't see. So what we need to do, we need to rotate this. So when we rotate that plane, which is horizontal, if we make it vertical, then this is 20 above A dash, and this line will go down and it will be vertical like this. This is 30 and this is A. So that's why front view is up, top view is down. See this. So whatever is in front of VP, whatever is above HP will come above XY line. Whatever is in front of VP will come below XY line. See this. Why we are doing this? Because we want to see it in one plane. So that's why we are doing this. So above HP, above XY line, in front of VP, below XY line. That way also you can remember. So I hope you people have understood this. In my next class, I'll explain you about the second, third and fourth quadrant. Thank you.